Okay, Robert or any other guru, seeing as this is my first round with the 2.4 gigahertz, what I'm asking is that a good installation? I've got this one running longitudinally forward to aft, and this one running, parallel, port to starboard. And this one's high and that one's low. And I don't have any glitching or anything like that, so and I've got my ignition, everything, batteries are separate. That 4200 back there is running the radio. The 1600 is running the pump. And I've got a 1600 coming for the ignition, not that 2700 right there. And when I get the correct servo extensions, then I can tidy this thing up. Anyway, let me know what you think about the locations of the satellite and the main antenna. Thank you.